Hello guys, I'm back with one more video, but before I begin, I would like to thank all my subscribers, and I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel if this video helps you resolve the issue. So the issue with this Chromebook is the keyboard doesn't type. So as you can see, I'm typing, it's not working, and mouse is working, but when I try to type, nothing appears, and no matter which letter I type throughout the keyboard, none of the key works, not the backspace, nothing works. So I will show you how we can fix this kind of issue. So first thing we'll do is take all the screw out from the back of the Chromebook. Now I'm gonna lift it on one of the corner right there. There we go. And then open this back of the cover. Let's see. It's not open. Oh, this power cable, need to unplug it. There we go. So this is what it looks like when you open up the Chromebook. So this is the Intel dual brand wireless card. This is the battery right there. This is the keyboard cable. This is the cable for the battery, and this one connects to the touchpad. That's the cable for the touchpad. So first thing we'll do is remove the battery. So we'll take this two side screw out first. And we'll gently unplug the cable of the battery. There we go. And lift it up and leave it on the side. There you go. This is the cable for the keyboard. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see clearly. So this is the yellow film that you can remove it easily. Just pull it off. And this to tab, just pull it out. There you go. There's the cable. Just clean it up a little bit, just in case if any dirt or anything. Just clean it up and plug it back in. And push those two side buttons back in. There we go. So it's in place. Now we will put that yellow tape screen back on it again to secure it. You can use any other tape also, just in case if you don't have this yellow tape. And then we're gonna plug this battery back in. And before we plug all the screw back of the Chromebook, we'll try to turn it on and see what we did. It worked. So let's do that. Alright, here we go. Let's see. We're gonna give it a try. Let me type in something. Yeah, of course, it's working. As you can see, all the keys are working fine. So that was the issue. The keyboard cable might have come loose or not plugged in all the way. All we did is unplug it and plug it back in. So this is how you can fix the issue if your keyboard is not working. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you.